Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix disabled accounts can't be contacted, which is a problem on Instagram. All right, as you can see here, we'll go to our chats right here. If you can see that particular error, or if you're trying to contact someone on Instagram and their account is disabled, unfortunately, you won't be able to reach them out through the platform, right? As their account is temporarily or permanently unavailable. Instagram disables account for various reasons, such as violating community guidelines, suspicious activity, or terms of service infractions. All right. Now here's a workaround. Just go ahead and go to the chat where it is problematic. For example, right here. And what we're going to do is just tap on its profile right here at the top left. Tap on it. Down here, the three dots, which says options. Tap on it. You're going to want to restrict. All right. Then unrestrict. All right. Once that's done, check if you can chat now. All right, you want to tap on accept right here and check if you can chat now. If not, again, go back to the profile, then tap on the three dots, hit on block. It says blocking. It says here you blocked the account. Just go ahead and tap on a blank space and hit on unblock right here, unblock. Then go back to the chat and check if it helps now. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.